LUGPA's Medicare Physician Fee Schedule Calculator is a simple and effective way to understand the impact of Medicare reimbursement changes year over year. The calculator is an Excel spreadsheet that can be downloaded from lugpa.org after answering a few questions about your LUGPA practice. As updates to the Medicare Physician Fee Schedule are released, new versions of this calculator will be available to download. Here's how it works. When you open the calculator, you'll be prompted to enable macros. Click Enable. Next, review the license for use. Then click Accept if you wish to continue. At the top, there are 4 simple steps to use the calculator. First, enter the volume of services by CPT code down below. You can use your Medicare volume only or include other payer volume too. Be sure to separate the volume by facility and non-facility. And for services billed as professional or technical components, add the appropriate modifier at the end of the CPT code like the examples provided. Services can be entered manually. Or you can copy your codes and volume from another source, such as another spreadsheet, and paste them into the calculator. Take note that only codes paid under the Medicare Physician Fee Schedule will be included in the results. The calculator will not provide fees for services priced under different fee schedules, such as drugs, DME, and labs. Next, select your locality from the drop-down menu. National will be selected by default, but you can choose your own locality. And if you have multiple localities, you'll need to run the analysis for each one. The Gypsy adjusters will display based on the locality you select. And at the top right, select the years you wish to compare. By default, the current year and next year will be selected, but you can choose different years if you need to. When finished, click Run Analysis. You'll automatically be taken to the Detailed Results tab. Here you'll see a high-level comparison of the 2 years you selected by E&M codes, HCPCS, medicine, and so on, including the overall total. You can see the difference between the years by dollars and percentage. The same information is displayed in a graph to the right. The RVU tables and conversion factors are provided below. As newer releases of the Medicare Physician Fee Schedule are available, these values will be updated to reflect the files used by the calculator. Be sure to check lugpa.org for updates to the calculator. Next is the CPT code detail. You can copy the summary or detail to paste it into another application, such as another Excel sheet, Word, or PowerPoint. When pasting into Word or PowerPoint, be sure to paste the data as an image or picture so it's formatted correctly. When pasting into Excel, be sure to paste values and not the formulas. Next, you can filter to see the top 20 codes by the first year dollar value, codes with year-over-year gains, or year-over-year losses. Let's view the losses. And take note you can also filter by CPT classification if needed. With the detail, you'll see the CPT description and volume. Then the comparison between the first year to the second year in total, as well as by site of service. And you'll see the difference by dollar and percentage. If you want to see even more detail, select the plus at the top of the screen to expand the columns. Now we can see the facility and non-facility difference per service. Let's select the other plus to view RVU details. Select the minus to collapse the columns. At the top left, you can return to the starting point by clearing the filters and rerunning the analysis. Lastly, take note of the tabs below. The first tab is the disclaimer we saw at the start of this video. The second tab is the Instructions and Data Entry tab, which you can return to at any time to add or modify codes you want included in the calculation. The FAQ tab displays a list of frequently asked questions. We recommend you take a moment to look these over. As you can see, LUGPA's Medicare Physician Fee Schedule Calculator is a simple and effective way to understand the impact of Medicare reimbursement changes year over year.